Okay, welcome everyone. Super excited about this video. Build out here, and in this video, I want to talk to you about the importance of your PMO being data driven and making key decisions off that data. First, quick introduction. As you know, over the last 20 plus years, I've been a PMO director, PMO manager. I've learned a ton of tricks and tips along the way, and I really want to share those to help you be successful as well. Today I'm running my largest PMO, 37 employees, over 100 active projects, one of the best companies in the world, and I absolutely love it. Okay, before I continue, I do have to ask you a question. Do you use data to make decisions in your PMO? If so, how do you do that? And if you're not using data, what do you do? Is this one of those scenarios where you use your gut to drive decisions across your PMO? Definitely comment below. I'm really interested. I love learning from you as well. I love your comments, so please let me know below. Okay, as we all know, PMOs are busy, and one of the things to drive a successful and a world-class PMO is you have to be data-driven. I can't stress this enough. You are surrounded by data, right? All the programs and the projects and the portfolios that are happening within your organization, you have countless bits of data that you have to use and that you can use to drive great PMO decisions. So what I wanted to do is I really wanted to talk about some best practices and some tips around using data and the advantages of using data to drive your PMO. Okay, let's jump into it. Number one, data-driven PMOs can make better decisions. I can't stress that enough. By collecting and analyzing the data, PMOs, PMO managers, PMO leadership, you get a better understanding of how your projects are performing. Which projects are in red, which ones are in yellow, which ones are in green, right? So you get all that information and therefore you can make better decisions. Number two, data-driven PMOs can identify and address problems early. That's another one, right? When you're seeing and you've got the data, you can see very quickly, very early, that your programs or projects may have some problems, and you can jump in on there, right? You can identify trends, you can identify patterns, right? That may indicate problems, right? And then when you have that information, you can take and make corrective actions. Number three, data-driven PMOs can increase transparency and accountability. I can't stress that enough. What projects is John working on? What projects is Frank working on, right? Really understanding the transparency of who's working on what and really increasing that accountability will be huge when you use data to drive those PMO decisions. Data-driven PMOs can also demonstrate value, right? By using data to track the ROI of projects and the value of projects, right? You can demonstrate the value that's being added to the organization by the programs and the projects that are executing. Data-driven PMOs also stay ahead of the competition, and I love that, right? I love that point. By using data to track industry trends, and I've got a video coming up on that, best practices, you actually can stay ahead of what some of your competitors are doing and really understanding that your programs and your projects are delivering. Does that make sense? It's so important, right? To drive your PMO from a data perspective, drive your projects from a data perspective, and you drive your PMO. What do you guys think? Are you driving your PMO from a data perspective? And if so, how are you doing it? Definitely comment below. I'm really interested. Just a reminder to subscribe, right? If you like these stories and you like these topics, please subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell to get notified. I've got lots and lots of new videos coming out. Thanks again. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.